If you're planning for college and your parent or guardian serves in the military, you may have heard about the post-9/11 GI Bill. But did you know that you might be able to transfer those benefits to yourself? Today, we're breaking down how to transfer the GI Bill step by step, so you get the details, avoid the mistakes, and use those benefits to pay for college. Let's jump in. If your parent or guardian is serving in the military, the GI Bill can cover things like tuition, housing, and books. That's huge. But transferring the benefit isn't automatic. There are a few rules and steps that you really need to know. So let's walk through it together. So what does it mean to transfer the GI Bill? Basically, a service member who's earned post-9/11 GI Bill benefits can pass those benefits to a spouse or a child. It's one of the best ways military families help their students afford college, but the process has to be done correctly and on time. Let's talk eligibility because this is where most questions come from. For the service member, they must be on active duty or in the selected reserve, have at least 6 years of service, agree to serve for about 4 more years, already be eligible for the post-9/11 GI Bill, and submit the transfer request before leaving the military. For dependents, that's you need to be listed in DEERS, be under the age of 26 when using the benefit, and wait for any extra service time to be completed. So you may be wondering, what exactly gets transferred? Well, up to 36 months of GI Bill benefits, which is usually enough for a full bachelor's degree. That includes tuition and fees, a monthly housing allowance, and a yearly book stipend. And yes, families can split these months across siblings if they want. So here's how the transfer process actually works. Step 1. The service member checks eligibility and makes sure dependents are correctly listed in DEERS. Step 2. They log in to milConnect, open the Transfer of Education Benefits portal, choose dependents, and assign at least 1 month of benefits. Step 3. The Department of Defense reviews the request. This part can take days or even weeks. And Step 4. Once it's approved, you apply with the VA using Form 22-1990E to get your certificate of eligibility, which you'll submit to your college. Now, there are a few important rules to keep in mind. You can only use your benefits after any required service time is fully completed. If you use all 36 months for undergrad, there might not be any left for grad school. And the biggest mistake students run into? Trying to transfer after separation, missing or incorrect DEERS information, forgetting to assign months in milConnect, and not realizing dependents must use those benefits before the age of 26. So, yep, planning early really matters. If you're considering using transferred GI Bill benefits, the best thing you can do is start the conversation with your family now. A little planning goes a long way, and these benefits can make college so much more affordable. Want the full walkthrough? Check out the full article on Appley, and while you're here, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stick around for more tips to help you navigate college the easy way.